Hi folks, today's lesson is about dividing polynomials by a constant. All right, let's have a look at a couple of examples. So in example number 1, it's all set up for us. So we just need to look at our coefficients and we're going to divide those. So 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 and we still have an x. So that will simplify to 2x. In our second example, when we have more than one term, what we want to do is we want to put those in their own individual fractions. So 4x divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. And that'll give us a final answer of 4 divided by 2, which is 2x, plus, and then 2 divided by 2 is simply 1. So that's how you would do those two. Let's have a look at a couple that are more complicated than this. All right, so for this one, we are first going to start by turning those all into their own individual fractions. So we'll have negative 4x squared divided by negative 4. And then we're going to have negative 2x divided by negative 4. And then we're going to have 16 divided by negative 4, and that's a positive 16. So we're going to simplify each one of those. So negative 4 divided by negative 4 is just 1, so we're left with x squared. Negative 2 divided by negative 4 is going to give us a positive 0.5, or 1/2 x. And then we have 16 divided by negative 4, which will give us a negative 4. So then our full polynomial is x squared plus 1/2 x minus 4. Divided by negative 3. And finally, for this example, we're going to do the same thing, set it up in fractions. I'll get you to pause the video here, take 2 minutes, and then come back and check your solution. All right, welcome back. So let's see how we're going to set that up. So our first term is 3m squared divided by negative 3. Then we have 15mn divided by negative 3. And then we have negative n squared divided by negative 3. So we're going to go through those individually. So negative 3 divided by negative 3 in our first will end up giving us an m squared. Then we have 15 divided by negative 3, which will give us a negative 5mn. And then in our last one, we have a negative divided by a negative, so that'll be a positive. And since there's no number in front of the end, we know that the coefficient is 1. And 1 divided by 3 will just give us 1/3, or 0.33 n squared. All right, I hope you got that one. I've left some practice for you, so good luck working through that, and the solutions are available from the teacher.